Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a Hapa Kristin review, and it will be on the Fruit of Passion Kristin collection. I've mentioned to you guys that I want to start doing a lot of different collection from Hapa Kristin just because I feel like they are very affordable and their contact lenses are comfortable, they are pretty, and I feel like the diameter just suits for a lot of people. So we're gonna get started with the review. With the Fruit of Passion Kristin, it only comes in two different colors, grey and Hazel. Currently I'm wearing Hazel here, and if you guys have watched my past Hapa Kristin videos, you would know that I've already reviewed the grey version of the Fruit of Passion, but I also mentioned it briefly here as well in case you guys haven't watched that one. With both of the Fruit of Passion Hazel and grey, I feel like they really reminds me of the Olan Secrets collection. With the Olan Secrets collection, it comes in two different colors in the brown collection and in the grey collection, if that makes sense. So like for the Olan Secrets brown, it's like a coral brown and I think called natural brown. Same with the grey, coral grey and natural grey. Anyway, I'll put like side-by-side comparisons for you guys, but I'm gonna focus on the Hapa Kristin now just in case you guys are wondering about the Olans, but I've already mentioned it there. With the Hapa Kristin Fruit of Passion, the diameter, the overall diameter is 14.2, which is leaning towards a little bit of the enlargement side, but you actually don't feel it once you've applied this because the graphic diameter is only 13.0. Now on my eyes, it still looks a little bit big, but I feel like it really suits me really well. I'm gonna talk about the Fruit of Passion Kristin Grey first, just because I basically use a lot of this and I actually don't have many left. I just love the outline of this because the outline is like a dark grey instead of like a black, and then when you go on, it has like this swirly pattern going into the iris, but it really blends really well because you see a little bit of that light brown as well, and also like a light grey, and then the outer rim is like a dark grey, which I feel like it's very beautiful on my eyes. And it is obviously for me leaning towards much more of a darker side because of my darker eye color. Compared to the Fruit of Passion Hazel, it is definitely different from the grey. This one is definitely leaning towards like the hazel and the green and a little bit of that brown, but it mainly emphasizing the hazel part of the contact lens, hence why it's called hazel rather than brown. And I really like this one because on the outer rim you see much more of that dark brown slash like a green kind of outline, and then going in you see more of that golden color and like light hazel color. You don't really see much more of the brown, to be honest. Like it's much more, yeah, like a hazel bright brown shade. Oh my god, it's so hard to explain. It's really hard to choose one because sometimes when you wear like grey contact lens, you can't really match it with other colorful eyeshadow colors other than like a natural brown or like a grey eyeshadow look. But for me, I feel like the grey, because it is dark enough, I can just pull it off with any other eyeshadow looks and it's actually really fine. I don't need to worry about what eyeshadow look I need to do to match with the contact lens, if you know what I mean. And same with the hazel as well. The hazel today I'm actually pairing with like a mauve eyeshadow look, and I feel like it just matched really well. It just looks really nice. So yeah, I actually do like both of them, and I also like that they are one-day contact lenses. So one box costs $19.99 USD dollars, and if you spend over $40 USD dollars on Hapa Kristin website, then you actually get free express shipping. And if you don't spend over $40 USD dollars, so if you spend under $40 USD dollars, the express shipping is $9.99 USD, which I think is actually a decent price. If you guys want to save more money, you can use my 10% discount code, but you guys don't need to if you don't want to. But I feel like if you are interested in trying the Olan Secrets contact lens, but you don't want to splurge too much, and you know, obviously the shipping maybe cost a little bit more, but you really want to try that pattern, I would definitely recommend trying this Hapa Kristin because I feel like the pattern is very, very similar, but this is leaning much more towards a darker color compared to the Olan Secrets. But honestly, the affordability, the pattern, how pretty it is, Hapa Kristin, this one is actually very amazing and very nice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick review, and if you have any questions in regards of the pattern of this contact lens, definitely put it down in the comment box below and I'll answer for you guys. But yeah, I do have a few more Hapa Kristin collection videos for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.